Godzilla? Godzilla, can you come here? The kaiju snuck into my territory. Oh, jeez. Godzilla, can you come here? The kaiju came near my volcano. I'm inside my volcano. No. Here it comes. I'm sorry.
Now, go ahead. Do whatever you do. Take a piss. Take a poo-poo. Do whatever you're going to do. And leave, please. Go on. Go ahead. Go ahead. No. Don't. Nobody likes it. Stop. Nobody likes. Aw, God damn it. You got away with the city now. Aw, Japan was so lovely.
This is how I have to f***ing wake up. Ugh, creep cocksucker. We don't want you outside our f***ing ice camp when we wake up. Blink, motherfucker! Make a move! Do something besides just stand there staring at us! Brother, why is he outside our ice camp? We just woke up. There, Kevin. It'll all be okay. Make him go away. Stop staring. Get you creepy motherfucking kaiju! You are scaring sweet and innocent Kevin. And I swear, if there's one thing I can't stand, it's Kevin being upset.